A working LinkedIn pipeline installed in 30 days. Guys, this is the Authority Engine install, live in 7, yours in 30. And in this video, I'm going to go over how it works exactly. So we built this and you run it. Your site is about 4 hours per week. You're just the face and you're taking the calls. Everything else we built. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly what it is. What you won't be doing, this is very important for us to start with. You won't be finishing a program, like there are no modules and the build, like I said, is done for you. You won't be paying a retainer, like it's a one-time payment that we ask from all of our clients. And when it's done, you get lifetime access to the application that we custom built for you. And there won't be any need for joining live calls. Like this is fully async, like we respect your time like no one else, and your calendar just stays yours. Why does exist, guys? Like we run multiple programs for years, group calls, modules, worksheet, you name it, like hundreds of founders went through the door. But we kept seeing the same movie, like every group, every cohort, every month, like people showed up very motivated. Like in week 1, the intros were posted, like the notes were taken, calendars were blocked. Week 3, already half the group has gone silent. Like the number of DMs that I got that had something along the lines of, hey, crazy week, catching up this weekend. Like it's been a lot. And then in week 6, only the ones who needed us least were still there. Like the busy, competent founders were long gone, which I now in hindsight understand because everyone is busy, right? And then the DMs came. Can't you just not do it for me? And this message we kept getting from people who had seen the program. And first I thought it was laziness. Then we really understand the core of it. So we killed the program. We became the install. And that's exactly what I'm talking about here today. So any proof before any teaching, like speed is the part that keeps you running. Like if I would have had to go through a program and then after 3 months I'm seeing the first result, I don't know if I would have gone through with it. This is literally this is literally something one of our successful clients said. His name is Julius. He's a life coach. He signed 6 ideal clients in 3 months. But the beauty is that he already had his first result a week in after niching down, after dialing in his positioning. And this will become very important, so stick with me here. Nicola, a different client who didn't know what ICP meant. She's a leadership coach, but as well, we handled her positioning first. And as a result, she signed 4 dream clients in the next 90 days. The bigger picture here, guys, is that this engine that I'm about to explain to you has been installed 200 plus times. Like 200 plus founders have been running the system. So far, we have tracked $3.1 million in client revenue, and it takes around 7 weeks on average for the next client to sign through this system. Like the system that I'm about to explain to you has 6 things that have to be true before LinkedIn brings in a client. So I'm going to explain them one by one. So the first thing, and you might have guessed this, is obviously positioning. So what you sell to whom, locked before everything ships. And the deliverable here, and this is a key thing, is like in the first week, as I had said in the beginning, the offer doc is shipped to any one of our clients. Second thing, the profile, like qualifies buyers before you even speak. We call this the bridge. Again, fully done for you. The content, this is a massive one, and we'll unpack this later on. In your voice 3 times per week. So not any copy and paste content. No, in your voice, you get the engine, which we call the voice print, which on demand, you can generate content in your specific voice with everything that you train the engine on, or that we train the engine on your behalf in there. Conversations, number 4, you want to make sure that you speak to warm people and not just pitch to anyone, and making sure that there's no lead left on the road. We develop this into your DM playbook. We get you the close kit. The no call isn't improvised. We get you the closest brief and the handover, obviously, like the full operating system, the manual. You can run it in less than 4 hours per week. And that's what we call the actual engine. So before I walk through them, like which of these 6 do you already have? Do you have the positioning locked in? Like could a stranger repeat what you sell and to whom? Does your profile read like a landing page or a resume? Is your content being shipped 3 times per week in your voice, usually? Are the conversations being done? So are you working inbound leads, or are you also like reaching out to the right people? closing kit? Are you prepping calls? Are you doing the same day proposals, or is everything just on the fly and you're winging basically everything? And do you have a rhythm in place? Like, do you have a mapped 4-hour week that keeps it alive? Because it's good to have a system, but you still want to run it, right? So figure out, is this built? Is it half built? Is it missing? Like, call it out, pause the video right now, like keep your count because it matters in a few minutes. So make sure to do this exercise right now, note the number, and then we'll come back to this in a moment. So box one, guys, like box 1 of 6, positioning, what you sell to whom. The rule here is very simple, like position first and post. Like across our best clients, the thing that made the engine work was positioning and not content, not templates. Like the advice of post more isn't working. Like you want to position first and then post, because everyone walks in asking for leads. Like we made that mistake for many years, like selling the content piece while the positioning underneath was broken. And trust me, you've seen this in the results so far. Like fixing the positioning is what made the engines work. And no, I'm not just saying, hey, put in your niche. That's not really the exception. Like the positioning step is the same every time. Like coaches, consultant, agency owners, SaaS founder, fractional executives, ghostwriter, like whatever industry or niche you're operating in, this positioning step for you is the same, although of course the output will be different. But we're always following the same principles. And that's why, without a doubt, when the positioning of the clients that we work with is dialed in, the results follow very soon. So build in week number 1, guys. Like I said, this is the offer doc we built by day 7. Like it is, obviously, this is a placeholder, but your offer with the promise, everything in just one simple overview, which you can then send to your prospects. No more coming up with proposals, no more winging it, no more custom build things. No, one offer that you can send and thus sell to all of your prospects, helping you to get out of this treadmill. So like I said, with this thing, like we make sure that we implement super fast. And this is the exact same doc that has been sitting under this video. So what you will be reading under this is exactly what you will own by day 7 when you decide to take the install offer on. So box number 2, guys, this is the profile. Like what you want to do with the profile is you want to make sure it qualifies buyers before you speak. The rule here is very simple. Once again, it's a landing page, not a resume. Wrong fit buyers bounce off the headline. Right fit buyers hit the booking link. One of our examples, Julius as well, he posted for 6 months, nothing happened. We rebuilt his positioning and profile. First inbound lead within a week. And that's why I keep coming back to positioning and profile as the start, because it's everything, right? It is the foundation. Box number 3, content, big one. In your voice 3 times a week. Like 3 times is kind of like the minimum. If you want to do more, fine. We don't write 30 posts for you. Like what we give you is something way more powerful. It's a voice print trained on your post, your calls, whatever data you have right now, we use it to train the voice print and give it to you. Then you can give in more additional stories, more additional feedback, and always what comes out is a finished post exactly written in your tone of voice, but of course trained on the thousands of posts that I've personally written. Like I've gone viral more times than I can remember. I've grown a 100,000 follower audience on LinkedIn. This is, I would say, arguably the reason that you're here, because you've seen some of my content on LinkedIn. All that data from 4 years of writing has been used to train our master data and will be used to give you the perfect custom built solution of your voice print. But you can also do it yourself, right? So you have the AI, the tools and whatnot, so you can build it yourself. But then we see with our clients that it's finding your voice alone costs like 90 or 60 to 90 days of posting. Others, they might hire an agency and pay people for them. But this is where buyers can smell I would say, the lack of authenticity, which we cover and tackle with the voice print in your exact tone of voice. Trust me, you don't have to become a content creator. Like the system posts in your voice. You just approve it and you show up as yourself. That's the whole job. You don't have to write anything at all. Niklas, he runs the full system in 45 minutes a day, and now he makes $10,000 to $20,000 per month just from LinkedIn. So in a minute, I'm going to show you the bill for building all these tools yourself, line by line in hours. But first, the 3 boxes that turn attention in actual signed clients. Box number 4, conversations. Like I'm actually talking about conversations, not about pitches. What you want to do is you want to touch warm people first. So new connections, people commenting on your post, buyers already in your orbit, 20 to 30 minutes a day. You might have tried cold outreach, but you felt doing gross. I was there as well, so that's why we don't really implement this into the system. There is no need for this when the content from step 3 is working, because we want to stop chasing strangers and we want to attract buyers who are already watching. Trust me, that's like such an easier sell and so much more enjoyable process. And also, you don't want to make sure that you leave a lead on red. That's why we have the engine, the DM engine, that again is fully trained on your preferences and installed within the application to you. It reads the conversation and drafts your next message. It's not copy and paste from like ChatGPT and any generic bullshit. You paste in the reply and you send it to your words. Like, it's just custom built for you. It's basically having like a DM setter employee inside of your business. Gabi, one of our other clients, she reactivated old leads sitting dormant in her pipeline, and within four weeks she closed 15,000 euros. So I would say that's arguably around like $18,000 US. So, well, imagine that sitting in your pipeline and you can just reactivate it with the right DMs. That's literally what happened here. Box number 5, guys, the close kit. Like, you want to make sure that the call you're showing up isn't improvised. So we get you the closest brief, a one-step prep sheet before every sales call. And again, this is fully built on your circumstances. The proposal builder is just like a tool inside the application that for every discovery call, you can literally just draft a ready-to-send proposal the same day. Like, selling feels uncomfortable. Every call starts from zero. Prepared, it's the conversations about fit. You're just figuring out, hey, is the person that I'm speaking to the right fit, right? Box number 6, and this is where things get really interesting. So by day 30, you own everything. Like, you have the profile plus offer doc live on your business, built from your track record. You have the content engine, the DM playbook, trained on your voice and scripted on your offer. You have the Authority Engine OS, which is basically the whole tool in your own workspace. Like, in the next few slides, I'm showing you a quick screenshot so you have an understanding of what it actually entails. And of course, the operating manual. So you have a configured engine, runs the playbook to retune it. And instead of renting a result, you actually own an asset that compounds. Like what we did, or what we are currently doing with the install for our clients, we just built this custom application and we hand it over to you. And then you have lifetime access. You just run with it because it's trained on your data. It's just an employee inside of your business, and it allows you to consistently sign high-ticket clients via LinkedIn. Then the one question that exposes the category, like, just zoom out for a second here, right? Like, if after 12 months of paying, what do you actually own? So I have a few examples here. If you pay a retainer for an agency, there is nothing you own. Like, stop paying and everything stops. And like, relative to what you pay per month, but if you pay between 3 and 8K per month, which are not crazy fees for some of the ghostwriting agencies out there, you pay between 36,000 and 96,000 per year. And when you stop paying, you don't have anything to show for. Paid ads as well. Like, we see some of our clients, they run it. It's good until you stop paying. Like, pause the budget and the pipeline goes silent. And with the install, like literally the system that I've explained to you so far, you keep it all. Like the profile, the engine, the playbooks, the audience, the voice print, all running and all compounding. So now, about that count that you kept, remember I asked you a little exercise? Every box that isn't built comes with an hour bill. And I don't want to come here and say like, hey, it's a lot of work. The actual bills, line by line, which I will show you in a second. So if you do it yourself, which is perfectly doable, it just takes something you don't have. It takes a lot of time. So figure out your ICP and positioning until you exactly know who you post for. Roughly about 30 weeks of like going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Rewriting your profile so it reads like a landing page, not a resume, 15 hours. By the way, how do I know these numbers? Well, like I said, I've run a program for multiple years. We've had many people go through it, work with 200 plus founders on this system. So we know how much work it is. And let's be honest, you don't have time. And that's why we pivoted the program into the install, because we're just shortcutting everything. Like, we built the install and we just give it to you. So back to the list. An offer doc that people actually say yes to, 15 hours. A content system like the pillars, the hooks, the formats you run every week, 40 hours. It's a lot of work. 60 to 90 days of posting just to find your own voice. Come on, this is like 60 hours in total as well. A DM playbook that starts conversation without sounding like a pitch, 15 hours. Sales, assets, and follow-up calls don't die after sounds interesting. We've all been there, right? 25 hours. So total, before it runs on its own, you've already spent 200 hours. Like, run the math with me here. If you spend 10 hours per week on this, which is insane, it's like more than a day of working, it costs you 20 weeks. 20 weeks is 5 months. Like, come on, it's insane. It's so much time to build the system. Like, it works, but it takes a lot of time, right? Like, the build needs 200 hours. And like we said in the beginning, you might have 4 hours per week on your list or on your available to do marketing. And even then, if you spend 4 hours on it, you have 50 weeks, which is an entire year before the pipeline even exists. And the difference here is that programs, they do work, but they sell you the map. You still have to drive. Like, the install is we drive for 30 days and then hand you the car that's already moving for you to just take it wherever you want to take it. And how it gets bolted on, it's 30 days on a fixed clock. So week 0, discovery brief, like 60 to 90 minutes from you, async. Like, earlier this week, we spoke to one of our clients. He's like, hey, that was one of the best discovery briefs I've ever filled out. And it made me trust you guys more because it shows how much thought you put into this process. Like, the better you get this information to us, the easier our jobs become and the better your install becomes. Day 7, the front end is live. So the profile, the offer doc, the content engine, first 5 posts on your business. Day number 14, like, the pipeline starts to get live. DM engine, closes brief, proposal builder. You start running it that day. Day number 21, live run and tuning. So we have real conversations already in your inbox. We tweak every module until it's right. And day 30 is the hands-off. So the full engine, the operating manual, the 4-hour weekly rhythm mapped to your calendar. You're done. You have it. Like, 30 days and you already have the system like running into your business, like completely configured in your specific settings. Like the Authority Engine OS, it all ships as one dashboard. As you can see, this is just like a screenshot from our sandbox environment. It's just clean. You have on the left side, you have the insights, the voice print, lead magnets even, which I didn't even tackle, conversations, deals, foundation, like everything you need to have in one simple overview, and it works, right? Open it, do the work, close it, and during the install, like I said, your site is even less. So during the install, like the first 30 days, we just need an hour from your time every single week. And after that, you keep running it with like 3 to 4 hours per week. 40 seconds from top, the 6 one more time. So you dial in your positioning, the profile, the content, the conversations, the close kit, and the handover. And that's exactly how the system, how the install works. Like, all these 6 are installed into your business in 30 days, and you run them in around 4 hours per week. So guys, what happens next? If you made it to this video, I think this is a great fit for you. So everything you need to know is under this video. Everything is in the doc below. It's the full 30-day build week by week, the price and both ways to pay. Every question we get answered honestly. The application we do, like, we have a finite number of spots right now. The application that we're asking you takes only a few minutes. Your offer, your track record, your bandwidth. Both founders, myself and my technical co-founder, we read every application and we answer within 24 hours. It's yes or no either way. You don't need to pay to apply. Like, the money only moves once we both agree that we can build this on to your business. Now guys, save yourself the next 5 minutes and don't apply if clients haven't paid you well for this yet. Like, the install needs a proven offer, not a hypothesis. You'd rather build it yourself, that's fine as well. I give you the playbook, I give you the blueprint. Take it, take the free tools, take my lead magnets, spend hours, like it's around 200 hours to get it all built, and go build. Like, good luck. It is possible. Also, if you want it run for you forever, that's not what we do. Like, we build it, you run it. Like, ongoing delivery is a different conversation. If you are a minority that wants to have that, like, just message me privately and we take it from there. If you can't spend the 4 hours, like, that's timing, not a flaw. Like, wait for a future intake, join when you can run it. Like, the system doesn't run on its own. You still need to run the system actually. So guys, do this next. Make sure to read the doc and then let's find out, right? So if we can make you our next case study, we'll tell you. If we can't, we'll tell you that too. So guys, thanks for making it so far, and I will hear from you very soon. Catch you next.